side when you can. Exit yellow highway on the left side, clear for takeoff. See you later. 4 amphibs. 4, you guys off flight? Flight 4. Alright, we'll put you on here in a second. 7 Yankee, the twin there. Go and line up and wait on the left side. Go to the left side, line up and wait. Go on the right side, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff on the right. 4 amphibs when you can. All 4 of you can line up and wait. All 4 of you can line up when you can. DATA left side, the Canadian. Go to the left side if you still can. Go to the left side. You're going to go next after it's over here. Over on the right, clear for takeoff. Go and roll. Good job, guys. All the amphibs line up and wait. Flight of 4 amphibs. You're all clear to takeoff. So long, guys. Amphibs, all the amphibs, you guys are good to go. You're good to go, all the amphibs. Mike Julian, if you're with them, you can go. The Warbird here, Warbird number 5, line up on the left side. 6-5 November, line up on the right side. Warbird number 5, that amphib's a flight of 4, you need to offer. 200 Bravo, when you get up there, just go line up on the left side. Line up on the left side. 6-5 November, watch out for those amphibs out there. You're good for takeoff. 4 Bravo Alpha, line up on the right side. Line up Bonanza. 685, line up on the left side. Go line up on the left side, 685. Victor, line up on the right side. Amphib here, Bravo Alpha, move up just a little bit. 200 Bravo, left side, clear for takeoff. 35 Victor, you're going behind that amphib. Line up behind the amphib and move up when you can beyond the blue dot. Amphib on the right side, clear for takeoff, Bravo Alpha, you're going highway, just take a spot, you'll go in a moment. 406, go line up on the left side. 406, go line up on the left side. The high wing, blue and white behind him, line up on the right side. Yellow, green on the left side, clear for takeoff. Left side, clear for takeoff, yellow and green, good job. The black high wing, line up on the right side when you can. Line up on the right side. Silver on the right, silver and the orange on the right, clear for takeoff, good job. Yellow on the left side, clear for takeoff. Line up and wait. The maroon, or the brown one, the brown, line up on the right side. Line up on the right side, brown. Blue and white high wing, right side, clear for takeoff. You're clear, good job. Maroon RV, line up on the right side, move in front of that blue dot. You'll go here in a moment. The yellow high wing with the white, blue stripe, go line up on the left side behind the black aircraft. Black aircraft, high wing on the left side, tender tires, clear for takeoff. There you go, good job. Brown RV, move up just a little bit. Brown RV, move up just a little bit, thank you. Yellow high wing with the blue stripe, go on the left side, line up and wait. Brown RV, right side, clear for takeoff. The low wing with the orange stripe, right side, line up and wait, line up and wait. 2-1 Fox, I believe it is. Go to the left side, line up and wait. Uniform Charlie on the left side. Uniform Charlie, go, clear for takeoff. You're good to go. 1 Foxtrot takes their place. Go line up behind them. 1 Papa, line up on the right side behind the orange stripe here. Line up behind him. Get in front of that blue dot when you can. Orange stripe on the right side. Clear for takeoff. See you later. 9-4 Alpha, go to the left side. Line up and wait on the left side. 4 out by the left, clear for takeoff. Awesome work, guys. The train runway here. Line up on the right side. Line up on the right side, please. Fighting ground right, well, on the right side here. Clear for takeoff. Rolling. Good job. Yeah, great. Go to the right side. Line up and wait on the right side. Get in front of that blue dot, please. 8 Victor, go to the left side. Get in front of the blue dot. Take the census plate. 5 extra on the left. Clear for takeoff. Good job. 2 8 Victor, go to the left. Get in front of that blue dot. Line up and wait. 3 Echo, you're going to line up behind the gray one. The gray low wing. Line up behind him. 711 Romeo Bravo, you're going to the left side. Line up and wait. Gray low wing on the right side. Clear for takeoff. Gray low wing. Good job. 7-8 Tango, you're going to line up on the right side. Romeo Bravo, go over to the left side. Line up and wait. 8 Tango, line up on the right side. 3 Cypher, on the left side. Clear for takeoff. There you go, good job. Up on the left side when you can. 3 Echo on the right side. Clear for takeoff. On the right, clear for takeoff. 601, 6 Delta. Line up on the right side. The Amphib, you're going to the left side. Stanza on the left side, clear for takeoff. On the left. One on the left, clear for takeoff. Good job. Amphib to the left, 6 Delta to the right. You guys are doing well. 7 Mike, go to the left side, please. Go to the left side, line up and wait. 25 Kilo, line up on the right side. 5 November, you're going to line up on the left side. You'll line up on the left side. 6 Delta, right side, clear for takeoff. Takeoff on the right side. 0 November, you're going to the left side. You're going to line up on the left side. Doing yellow train highway on the left. Alpha Zulu on the left side, clear for takeoff. The highway with the blue stripe, take a spot, move all the way up in front of that blue dot. Kilo, you're going to go, you're going to go to the left side, get behind that blue. Whiskey Bravo, you're going to line up on the right. Highway that's lined up on the left, you're clear for takeoff, the one with the blue. Clear for takeoff. Keep on, keep telling the guy in front, the blue highway, go line up and wait behind Kilo when you can. 6-2 Romeo on the right side, clear for takeoff. Whiskey Bravo, move up, take a spot. So I get the aircraft behind you. The blue highway, you're going over to the left side, behind Kilo. The silver RV, you're going to line up behind Whiskey Bravo. Kilo on the left side, clear for takeoff. You're good. Good job, guys. Silver RV, you're going to line up behind this Whiskey Bravo. Looks like Hotel X-Ray. It's the highway, you're going to go line up on the left side. Whiskey Bravo on the right side, you're clear for takeoff. Good job. Whiskey Bravo, clear for takeoff. Silver RV, take a spot. Move up a little bit. I need you to move up a little bit so we can get traffic behind you. Blue highway that's on the left side, clear for takeoff. Blue highway on the left side, clear for takeoff. One Whiskey, line up behind that RV. Keep it as tight as you can on the right side so we can get aircraft behind you. And the yellow highway, go line up on the left side. Silver RV on the right side, clear for takeoff. Go to the left side. The biplane, move up just a little bit so I can get somebody behind you. 6 Charlie, the Bonanza, line up on the right side. The highway, the biplane on the left side, clear for takeoff. Good job. The yellow white highway, take a spot but hold your position. You'll go here in a moment. 571, go to the left side behind the yellow highway. Clear for takeoff. There you go, good job. The Bonanza behind him, move up and take a spot. 6-9 Whiskey. The 9 Whiskey, take his spot. The yellow low wing, go over to the left side. 6 Tango, you're going to go to the right side. You're going to line up on the right side. 571 on the left.